Oh, what's up everybody? Here at Tacos El Trompo, because I'm doing another shoot. This is like a taqueria along with being a just a regular Mexican restaurant that has burritos, tacos, quesadillas, molitas, all that good stuff, and it's combined into one restaurant. So I'm going to take you along for the shoot. I actually have you attached to my GoPro as well, so I'm getting 2 angles, which will be pretty cool. So let's go. Right now I'm getting the whole restaurant space. One of the things I really like to grab here when I'm doing this is the whole space of the restaurant. I'm currently recording someone ordering food because it's nice when you can get shots of customers here ordering specific types of food or whatever they like here, and getting the interaction between the restaurant and the customer. What I mean when I say get behind the scene shots. You go in here, you're getting them making the food. Right now we have the chef cutting up the trompo, which is the revolving meat. It's going down right now. He's putting it onto the taco on one of their handmade tortillas and putting it on the grill. This is filming the chef making everything. So he's putting the onions, putting the green onions, the guacamole, everything on there. Also, you want to make sure that you get the food cooking on the grill. When you hear that sizzle, I'll get closer so you guys can hear the sizzle. If you add in a little bit of sound design, throw in even more sizzle, it makes the shot look more epic and even better. Looks really good. It smells amazing. They should do like smell-o-vision on these things so you guys can actually smell what I'm smelling when I'm in the kitchen doing this work. Close-ups of the food cooking on the grill. What's nice is I have a zoom lens, the Sony Aperture 4 18-105, so I can zoom in right on the food and not get that close to the chef. So I don't get in the way of the food actually cooking, but I can get a nice, great close-up shot of all the food. Another thing that you can see is you see me moving my body. So like as I'm filming right now, I'm moving towards the food, moving away from the food. And to conclude this video, I'm getting one last shot of the outside. It's important to make sure that you show off the outside as well as the inside, because people want to see what it looks like from the outside, because how are they going to find the place if they don't know what it looks like? So yeah, make sure you get the outside and the inside, and you can put it in the beginning or the end of the video just to conclude the video or just start it off. Hopefully you enjoyed these tips, this behind the scenes shoot from me today once again. If you liked the video, please remember to subscribe. And please remember to like the video, and don't forget, be marvelous.